So I'm here with Harrison Lynch. We're just outside Bedford. He fitted several Recoheats.
Numerous, yep.
And you're in a lovely little office in the garden where you can demonstrate your stove and your Recoheat.
Yeah, so we put this in more or less to demonstrate to customers what they can get and how good the Recoheat really is. Because I mean, we're a great ambassador of it, and yeah, we've fitted many.
And you've been fitting them for a while for us, haven't you?
Probably about 18 months now.
Right,
yeah, I found you on YouTube. That's how I found you, and then we started speaking, and then became an installer, and then now, yeah, it's just flying really.
That's brilliant. And so what's this on? What's the stove?
So this is an SE1 wood burning stove. You can get a multi-fuel version,
right.
But yeah, this is just the wood burner, 5 kilowatt output, and yeah, we certainly noticed with the Recoheat it produces a good heat, or even heat all the way through this building rather than just a direct corner, if you know what I mean.
Yeah,
yeah. This is the only heat source out here, and yeah, it keeps us lovely and toasty when we're out here doing invoicing and quoting works and things like that.
That's the thing, because it actually makes it properly warm, doesn't it?
Other than without it, you can't use it. You can't be out here for a number of hours because you lose your toes, you lose your fingers. But yeah, with that, I mean, yeah, it does the job. It's perfect.
And what sort of properties do you tend to be fitting to?
Obviously, in here we're in a new build, so we'd have to install the system chimney. But most of our installs are larger, older properties, heritage properties, where they've already got quite large chimneys and they want to install quite large fires and they want to get the heat throughout these large open spaces.
Yeah. And how are you finding the feedback?
People absolutely love it. Yeah. I've not had one complaint at all about all the ones I've fitted. It suits a lot of different scenarios where people have got maybe a room that is just almost like a hallway that they just pass through, or a dining room that they kind of pass through. 2 doors at either end, and the Recoheat just seems to push the heat out and around the house, and people do love it. Even upstairs, there's a house down the road from me. We fitted one in their sort of front room just off the hallway. And that's got direct access straight to upstairs, and then yeah, the Recoheat pushes it out into the hallway, up the stairs.
They're managing to heat most of the house?
And they're managing to heat most of their house, and they were solely on electric, which has brought their bills down tremendously. Oh, right.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
That's great. So you've got a sort of range. Some are just heating a room and an area, and some of them are actually getting further around. Yeah, in the smaller properties where it's a little bit more compact, then yeah, they are using the Recoheat to heat a large proportion of their property, and then you might have other houses where you're talking 6-7 bedrooms where they've got a stove, but now it's heating a larger proportion rather than just the one little corner. Where a lot of these houses are all stone, and they might be 2 foot thick stone, so they do struggle. A lot of them struggle with heat. So anything that can boost your efficiency is a win-win. Oh, that's fantastic. And are most people coming to you for a Recoheat, or are you fitting them with a stove?
So we're fitting them with. We get a lot of our inquiries just for stoves, and then during the initial visit, we'll basically say to them, "Have you seen this product?" And a lot of people obviously haven't. And then in certain installations, it suits more with regard to getting the pump in a place where you don't want it in the room and things like that. So there's certain installations that I wouldn't necessarily offer it to, but then others, it's a dead cert.
I mean, it tends to be, if people are trying to, if the primary thing is heat rather than how it looks and making a lovely comfortable house, if it's about heat, then
then it doesn't matter. But the houses that we tend to sort of work in, we can't be plomping a pump on the side of the fire. You know what I mean? Then I take my time in working out how it can be done. Can we get a pipe somewhere else? Hide the pump even the other side of the house. If we can get a pipe to it, then great.
Yeah, fantastic. And do you pretty much exclusively fit them to new installs?
Not exclusively at all. No, I mean, ideally you'd like to fit them all to new installations, but a lot of the time it's the case of people have had a fire, they've had it for a few years, and they're just not getting the heat out of it that they want to get out of it, and that's the perfect opportunity to then come in, fit the Recoheat, and say, look, we can get this heat further from the stove for you, and for less fuel. So, and then people, and it's I'm not people don't call me a liar. They know what they're getting. So it's good.
No, that's fantastic.
It's a great product, and I'm glad I stumbled across you.
So you're Harrison Lynch Chimney Sweeps.
Harrison Lynch Chimney Sweep. So that's how we started. So I'm a 4th generation chimney sweep. Just last year, I've gone into more of the installations. We've become HETAS registered now, and with that we've set up an installation company, Harrison Lynch Installations.
Fantastic. So it must have helped when HETAS approved.
That's it. It was perfect. Yeah. It was a win-win for everyone. Yeah, I was glad to hear that it finally got over the line for you guys.
No, that was it. It was great. They've been brilliant with it. But
perfect.
Thanks.
Great to see you.
Yeah, really good.